Being an independent insurance agent is a great opportunity.
I feel like I can make a distinct difference in my business owners' lives and for their employees.
I feel fortunate to be able to sell something that people can be thankful for in a time of need.
An independent insurance agent is an agent who has relationships with multiple companies. What that means for my clients is that I'm able to look at multiple options for them.
Being an independent insurance agent is a great career. It really is.
There's a lot of choices and variety.
I love that you're selling something that actually helps people.
The more you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it.
The hard work that you put in correlates directly with how much income you make.
Work hard, you can play hard, and have a lot of fun and take care of people at the same time.
What I like about being an independent insurance agent is that every day is a little different. I meet new people every day. I don't sit at a desk all day. My schedule changes and my hours are very flexible. I'm able to call on businesses that have things of interest to me as well. For example, I'm an animal lover, so I call on veterinarians and dog trainers, pet groomers. And because my interests are the same as theirs, I really enjoy talking with them and learning about their businesses and what they're doing.
I'm an aviation insurance specialist, and I work with clients that own airplanes, that own airports, that own businesses that serve airports and airplanes. We provide them with risk management. We provide them with insurance options for their business. For me, in my world, I get to fly to go see my clients.
I didn't want to just show up at a desk from 9 to 5, same thing day after day, and you collect your paycheck and you go home. That's not what it's all about for me. I come from from an athletic background where you make or break things for yourself, and I wanted to get into a position where I could continue to do that.
As an independent insurance agent, I don't have to sit at my desk all day. I'm constantly on the go. For example, today I'm going to be visiting 2 clients, delivering their policies, doing a walkthrough of their business, and just checking in on them to see how things are going.
The thing that's most exciting for me is that I get to talk to people about their airplanes. And for me, it's not going to work. It's just having a fun conversation with people talking about aircraft, what they're doing at their airport, with their aviation-related business. Every day is a fun day to get up and talk to them about what they're doing, what they're flying, what they're looking at buying. It's a fun opportunity to serve their risk management and insurance needs.
Having a flexible schedule allows me to work really hard during the week, and if there is a nice afternoon, a nice summer day, I can take off and go boating, or in the winter I can take off and go snowboarding. It allows me to be able to have those opportunities and not be stuck at my desk from 9 to 5.
It's a great industry and everybody needs insurance, so like I said, you can pretty much live wherever you want and work wherever you want.
Now I have a young family, and one of the things that I love being able to do is come home to him and leave work at work. A lot of jobs you can't say that for. So it's a very it's a good industry, and it can be a very good way to make a living too.
Well, with my job now, I'm a half a mile from home, so I can walk to work, I can walk home for lunch, I ride my bike over to pick up my son after work from daycare, and the flexibility is great. The advantage of being with an independent agency is when he gets older and is in school, I'll be closer to home and closer to his school, where I'll be able to participate in more of his school activities.
One of the great benefits of being in the insurance industry, especially on my end as a producer or agent, I'm there at my client's biggest time of need when they have a tragedy that could upset their business or shut their doors forever. When you've done your job right, they open those doors up and they hold you in a higher light and are more willing to refer business to you after that as well.
When we have a major catastrophe like storm and tornado, the reason why people have their insurance policies is to get them back to their pre-loss condition as soon as possible. The same days we issue advance payments, try to find them a temporary location to live while their home's getting rebuilt, because that's the reason why they bought their insurance in the first place. Yeah, it's not just a job, you're a problem solver, and obviously when there is a major catastrophe they have problems, and it's a good reward to help people out. Yep, it gives you some personal satisfaction as well.
I think that's one of the biggest areas of satisfaction for a lot of insurance agents, is that they do have that sense of community and that they're protecting the other people in their community. And it gives them an opportunity in a variety of ways to give back.
I think one of the advantages to being in the insurance industry is that you get to help people, and it's an industry that you can go to during the day, come home and sleep well at night knowing that you're making a positive difference.
If you're willing to give it the first 2 or 3 years where you're going to make the salary until your commissions really start kicking in, and that's when you start making the big money, you can really do well. And if you're young, motivated, aggressive, a sharp kid, you're going to do extremely well in this business, because this business needs people like that.
A couple of the similarities that I have seen thus far between speed skating and insurance, one would be the challenge that comes with trying to sell yourself. Now, as a speed skater, I didn't make a lot of money for skating in circles. I made more money trying to market myself to companies who could use me in various ways. And with insurance, that's again what I'm trying to do. You have to be persistent in both of them. Neither one of them happened overnight. I started ice skating when I was 2 years old, and I won when I was 27 at the Olympics.
It takes an investment, so you have to make the investment, but if you make the investment and stick with it, the sky really is the limit.